Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. You're Steezing with Oasis, and I have another dope-ass artist in studio with me today. His name is Boyrocka, and we're going to pick his brain. So we're going to pick his brain a bit and find out what gets him going. So, first thing is first, bro.
Yeah. What's up?
What is your take on the SA hip-hop game as you feel it now? Where do you see it going?
Now I see it going in a good direction, you know what I mean? Because look at Nasty C, like he's signing Universal Music, and that's a big thing. Like he's doing big things. Like there's a lot of niggas out here doing like crazy ass things, you know what I mean? So like, the thing is, South African music is bringing out like the best, you know, side of hip hop from Africa, and that's a great thing, you know what I mean? Because all those niggas, MT, whatever, they are recognized for that
level,
music, you know
going to BTs and things.
Exactly, you know what I mean? So that's a big thing for South Africa. Yeah, so, shout out to the niggas working hard, man.
Always working hard. Shout out to the niggas. It's always grinding, pushing, slaving out here to make themselves great. Yeah, bro. So, who inspires you, bro, in the music game?
The only person that inspired me a lot was J. Cole. You know what I mean? Like
Cold
War, dog. Like his music, I don't know about the music he's making now, but you know, from way back, dog, like that shit was way too inspiring. You know what I mean? So yeah,
tapes like Born Son of Them, that was stuff you could listen to. Now I feel it.
Yo, it's crazy, bro. Friday Night Lights.
Yo,
that shit.
That was dope. Those were just hits, bro. And everything you did, bro.
Classics.
Right. So, what got you into the hip hop side of music? I know J. Cole's inspiration, but like for yourself, because I can listen to J. Cole and tomorrow I'm not a rapper, you understand? But what got you into, like, I feel like I can put my message out there?
No, I think it's just who I am.
Okay.
It's
personality.
It's simply just who I am, you know what I mean? Because I'm not trying, you know what I mean? I'm not trying. I'm doing well, you know what I mean? Like my latest track, that's called Galela, was yeah, dog. Where did you hear it?
Saltago.
Okay, Saltago?
I don't know. He knows it, but it's also known in the grapevine. In the grapevine, I know that track. Galela.
I know
that track. Dope track, bro.
So like DJ Fresh, you know DJ Fresh from Metro FM. Yeah, he was talking about it on his show. I don't know. I didn't hear the show though. Like I heard rumors. You know what I mean? So like he was talking to this girl that's apparently signed to Mafiki Zolo. So now like she was saying, these guys, I need to work with these guys, whatever. You know. So that was the end of it. I didn't hear like all of it, but yeah, like it's been doing great, man. Like I've been trying to push it.
That's a dope ass track.
Yeah.
Yo, bro. So the name, where did the name come from? Boyrocka.
Boyrocka. Dog, I rock.
Yeah, you heard it for yourself, bro.
Yeah, that's the end.
Just as it is, bro. I
rock.
rock.
It is what it is.
You can't move me.
There's no explanation to that. You know what I mean? I rock. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So if you do perform now, are you gonna freestyle? Gonna hit us with a track? What you gonna do, bro?
Nah, I think I might give you a little bit of Uline. That's like my single that's dropping soon. Like it's
some new shit that some people gonna hear.
I don't know. You're gonna judge for yourself.
Oh, you heard that shit?
Yeah.
It's some new shit. It's coming first from empTv. You heard it. Now, where would you find you if I have to go search you? Because now I want to know. Now I know the artist of the song. I need to find you. Where am I gonna find that song?
Okay. Where you find me is on Facebook, basically on all social medias, Instagram, Twitter. On Twitter, it's at BOII and then Rocker. You know what I mean? And then on Instagram, that's the same handle as well. And then on my Facebook page, it's Boyrocka SA. And then away Audio Mark Boyrocka. You know what I mean? You already know the name, so yeah. Let me take a sip of this, man.
I take this shit, man. It was good though. So you know where you're gonna find him. We'll drop all his links as well on the page, so we'll get you that promotion. And then we're gonna give him time to actually rip that set now. Some new shit. And you know you Steezing with Oasis, and we out.
Flex on these niggas like all of the time, yeah. Mixing the cup, the balling in mind, yeah. You girl be calling for the blind, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang line, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang run the game, with the gang. No recess, no, I never rest. I run a J, I meditate. Cover the juice, yeah, better taste. Oh no, I'm on the go. I gotta hop in the show. I gotta step on the door. I gotta mix on the cup. I gotta sip on the cup. Slow mo, lit in a minute. Pop in the molly, I'm up in the ceiling. All of my niggas are hop in the building. Moving away, man, they're making it, killing me. Telling these niggas that I got the rhythm. I'm up in the city be with me. The pets online, alright. The pets online, all nice. Spending good time, I'm killing it time to time. My nigga, I shine and vibe. Now we finna get in the dance. We finna mirror the sound. Cover the choice that I make. Yeah, nigga, got no regrets. Flex on these niggas like all of the time, yeah. Mixing the cup, the balling in mind, yeah. You girl be calling for the blind, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang line, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang line, yeah. The petty is sauce la way, she traveling the steez la way. Sip on the black la way, the petty case la way. Give me the money a slicer, jiggy nigga for the money back. We come alive in the night time, little nigga do the money deals. Shit that I'm doing is psycho, we ain't never in no capital. Gang here to get it though. I need the money do. Give me the money back. I find out my deep on no holiday, find on a Saturday. Wavy with a lot of shit, got the niggas in the body bags. Line, yeah. I got the niggas in the body bags. Line, yeah. I got the niggas in the body bags. Line, yeah. Flex on these niggas like all of the time, yeah. Mixing the cup, the balling in mind, yeah. You girl be calling for the blind, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang line, yeah. Running the game, the petang online, yeah. Running the game, the petang line, yeah. Oh, line, yeah. Yeah, line, yeah. What you say? Whoa.